Hello, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault. Today I want to talk about something a little controversial. I want to talk about why I think NVIDIA should have kept and continued to produce the 1080 Ti graphics cards or the 10 series graphics cards compared to what we currently have of them stopping production altogether of the 10 series cards and only producing the 20 series cards. So I want to talk about why I think they A, should have continued it, and B, why they are actually doing this. So actually we'll start it and we'll flip it a little bit differently. We'll start with the last one. We'll start why NVIDIA is actually doing this so you can understand a little bit why I think we should keep them. So first off, NVIDIA is doing this, in my personal opinion, is to actually raise the prices of the current set of graphics cards so that the price of the performance that you get for the 1080 Ti is about the same as or the price of the 1080 Ti is about the same as the 20 Ti, but you'll get better performance from the 2080 Ti, and people will buy that. Yes, the price is extremely insane, and that's what they're trying to do, is they're trying to increase the price on the older cards so that way it doesn't seem feasible to buy them. So that also raises the question, well, why do you want these cards, of course, to be continued production? Why do you want people to still go out and make, or why do you want NVIDIA to still make these available? Why do you want them to people or have the ability to still go out and grab one? Well, first off, if you're not aware, the current lineup has the graphics cards with no mid-range to low-range graphics cards. Now, if you've heard, there's been a lot of things going out that NVIDIA has stopped altogether the production of the 1080 Ti, and yet they've already released another 1060, which is with the GDDR5X memory, as well as there's a 9GB. So there's like 4 or 5 different variations of the 1060, and some are still being in production, and so some are still available for purchase, which really does raise a lot of questions on A, why are NVIDIA stopping the production of the high-end old generation graphics cards yet releasing new ones from the mid-range. And it all kind of points to the fact that the 2080 series cards really seem to only be high-end cards. There's not going to be a mid to low-range graphics card with ray tracing. It doesn't seem like that's something that's going to happen. Rather, it seems like we're going to see something where they're going to use the last generation's 10 series, continuously add more graphics cards on there, or maybe in the 30 series. Sorry, I'm taking a guess there. Just the name, general concept, that the 30 series itself will actually be something that will have a full lineup. It just seems like they're not releasing a full lineup right now. Now, obviously, they'll come out with something. I think either they won't release anything in the 30 series will have a full lineup, or we're just kind of delaying the release of these new cards. But as for the moment, the price that it takes and how much it costs to actually get a graphics card, we'll just say you have a $700 budget for a graphics card, you're not going to be able, you can get a 2070, and that performs about the same as the 1080 Ti, and it's, well, actually no, the 2080 Ti is the high end, and the 1080 Ti is still a 4K King, actually really good performance at that. So it really just doesn't seem feasible to go out and buy the new expensive graphics card while the prices are this, prices are this low on a card that games the same way. So a lot of the people that I've been, talking about and I've been talking to kind of agree with it. That's the general consensus. A lot of the gamers online also agree that. And so I think that they should have kept production, A, because it's a mid-range, it kind of really falls in the mid-range, and I hate to say mid-range because NVIDIA has jacked the price up so high on their top-end cards that this really does seem like mid-range if you look at the general scale of things, but still the average budget is like $300 for a graphics card, and no one is going to want to spend, well, now $800, $900 on top of tariffs to go out and buy these graphics cards. And I also think another contributing factor is the fact that we have these tariffs that are coming along that are going to be putting heavy strain on the consumer, and so the top series cards are really already high priced, so that they're already compensating for the high tariffs, and so that way they're not going to lose a whole bunch of money. Meanwhile, they stopped the production of the lower end graphics cards in order to make sure that they would not have to deal with the tariffs and force people to buy the more expensive ones, kind of already prepared for the tariffs as they are. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I'm really interested to know what you guys are thinking about that. And also, I have a different mic set up. I'm no longer using my shotgun mic. I'm going to be trying a little bit something different. See if this nice little lavalier mic that I'm testing, messing around with. It's actually a wireless one as well. We'll see how that goes as well. But thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my channel for other cool tech-related news, videos, reviews, things like that. And goodbye.